How does ecological flow management protect aquatic biodiversity? Imagine a river that flows naturally, changing with the seasons, creating different habitats and supporting countless species. Now, think about what happens when humans control or alter that flow. Ecological flow management is about keeping those natural patterns alive. It involves setting water flow levels that match what the river would experience without human interference. This helps keep the river healthy and full of life. Rivers are dynamic systems. They rely on flow variations like floods and low water periods to keep ecosystems thriving. These changes help transport sediments, renew habitats, and connect different parts of the river and floodplains. When flow patterns are maintained, aquatic plants, fish, and invertebrates can grow, reproduce, and move freely. One way ecological flow management protects biodiversity is by keeping habitats like pools, riffles, and wetlands healthy. Seasonal floods connect rivers to their floodplains, bringing nutrients and creating breeding grounds. Many fish species depend on these floods to spawn or find food. Without these natural flows, their habitats shrink or disappear. Flow management also supports the life cycles of aquatic animals. For example, fish often need high flows to migrate upstream for spawning. Juvenile fish grow in floodplain wetlands, which are only accessible during certain flow conditions. When flows are managed to mimic natural patterns, these critical events can happen on time. Connectivity is another key factor. Ecological flows help fish and other species move along the river and between the river and floodplains. This movement allows for genetic exchange and healthy populations. If flows are too low or too controlled, these connections break down, risking local extinctions. Water quality is also protected through proper flow management. Adequate water levels dilute pollutants, regulate temperature, and keep oxygen levels high. These factors are vital for aquatic life to survive and thrive. Flow variability also drives natural processes like sediment transport and channel formation. These processes shape habitats and support ecosystem productivity. When flows are managed to reflected natural patterns, these processes continue, maintaining a balanced environment. In practice, managers study a river's natural flow patterns and set water releases targets that match those conditions. This might mean releasing water from dams to simulate floods or ensuring minimum flows during dry seasons. The goal is to balance human water needs with the health of the ecosystem. Focusing on the timing, duration, and rate of flow changes is essential. Instead of just maintaining a fixed water level, ecological flow management considers how water moves and changes over time. This approach helps sustain the complex interactions that keep aquatic ecosystems healthy. By protecting these natural flow patterns, we help preserve the rich variety of life in rivers. It supports sustainable water use by ensuring that ecosystems can continue to provide benefits for future generations. When we manage water with nature in mind, we give aquatic biodiversity the best chance to flourish.